Okay, so the Cosmic Grey EP3 has made it up onto the dyno. It's had an RBC inlet manifold fitted. It's got some mods, obviously, as you'd expect. 4-to-1 manifolded exhaust systems. Got the Teguar scoop. And we'll see what she makes. We're mapping it on the Honda Vert system. So ECU in. We're going to do a standard power run first. And then at that point, we shall see what it's making, see that it's healthy, and start tuning. I love EP3s. No one can deny that EP3s are epic. Okay, so standard power run done, and Richard has requested that we fit an ECU. There's the old ECU. Let me go and get a good. So as the Honda Vert ECU is being installed, I'm going to talk about how much it costs. So it does, at Dynodaze, cost 550 quid, which is a bargain when you consider the alternatives. So 550 quid, and we can map this live on the dyno.
I think you should tell people the price of the others in comparison.
The price of the others in comparison? Okay, Richard, well, the K Pro equivalent would be...
The K Pro equivalent is not necessarily equivalent because this is based on a K Pro version 3. So there are things that the version 4 does more than what this does. So Bluetooth enabled and so on and so forth. But the K100 is 450 quid plus 250 quid to map.
Yeah.
The K Pro is 650 quid plus 250 to map for an NA vehicle. And we're doing Honda Vert for 550 all in.
All in. There you go, that's the sales pitch over. Enjoy the rest of the video. How's it going on, Rich? Pretty well.
Been a busy old day.
It has been a busy old day, but it's been a successful day.
I don't think we're far off on this one, to be honest.
Yeah, the fueling's flat as a pancake, man. It's like that line is so flat. That's what fine tuning's all about. Good job you're here, mate.
Good job here, innit?
Yeah. Oh, you're so cool. in the bag, and as you can see, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Massive gains had in the mid-range, peak power also. And today on this beautiful EP3, we finish on 232 brake horsepower and 193 at the wheels, that is. So that's pretty good going. And like I say, sounds immense, and that's going to drive immense. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one. Won't we, Rich? Good lad.